Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get unlimited Microsoft reward points for free. So without much ado, I'll get straight to the video. So first of all, I'm going to show you how does this app works. So I've this app downloaded on my iPhone. Now this is the interface. Now I'm going to add some free reward points to my account. So I'm going to click here. Here you go. I've added 5,000 points and I'm going to click it again. Wait. Here you go. Now I have 10,000 points. Now I'm going to do it again one more time. Here you go, 15,000 points. Let's just add some more points. Here you go, 20,000, 25,000, and the final one. Here you go. I've added 30,000 points right here in front of you. That shows how the app works. So now if you are an Android user, you're good to go. But if you are an iOS or iPhone user, you'll have to make a few changes in your settings, which I'm going to tell you right now. So what you have to do is you have to click here. And when you're here, you have to click General and then About. Now, when you are in this section, make sure that the iOS version you're using is the latest iOS version. If not, then make sure it's beyond iOS 11. The next thing which you need to do is you have to go here to Background App Refresh and then make sure the Background App Refresh is on either on Wi-Fi and mobile data or just Wi-Fi. The next thing which you need to do is you have to go here to Battery and make sure that the low power mode is turned off and your battery percentage is more than 10%. Now the final thing which you need to do is you have to go here to Safari. Wait, let me just open up Safari. Just give me a second here. Where is Safari? Here you go. Once when you're here, you have to go here to Advanced and make sure that the JavaScript is turned on because it's really very important to download the apps from the Safari. For that, you need to turn the JavaScript on. So that's it. These were the changes which you need to make in your iPhone and you're good to go. And now I'll tell you how to download the app. Okay, now the final thing which you need to do is you have to open Safari and go to this website, Viva Helper. And then you have to type the name of the app here, which is Microsoft. Here you go. Once when you're here, you have to click download. And now the app is downloading on your phone. You just have to wait for the download to complete.